morning, folks. April the 24th, 2023. I got that right. Usually I'll say March. But what we're doing here is a 2001 Volkswagen. There's a couple things to do on it, but the first one we're going to do is the replacement of the rear airbag suspension system. It's an independent air. It comes with a kit. It has a Schrader valve right there, right? And the bag's dry rot. So let's first see if this actually fits. You have to take the rear wheel off. That's a Rialta. It's like a Class B. Pretty nice V6 Volkswagen engine. All right, there we go. Nice looking. All right. Chillowy RV Sword, Alico, Tennessee. There's your inside. 2 chairs here and the 2 chairs up front. They spin around. There's a table. That's a TV. Arm it comes out. That's your shower, bath, and all that together. And then back here's your living quarters. Of course, your sink, your small refrigerator. All right, some other storage areas. All right, porch light. There you go. This little stuff. Of course, the old vent fan and skylight, pretty big, lets some light in and water, right? There's your AC up there on the ceiling. All right, it's nice. It's a real nice little, cute, small type of van. So I'll put you on pause. So we got to confirm that these fit, okay? It looks like the right part number. I didn't order them. The member did. So we had to take the wheel off, jack it up, right? Support it right in there. It's a 12-ton jack stand. I don't play around with no 3-ton crap. Maybe if I'm holding the wheel up, right? But you play around with cheap stuff. I'll buy good stuff. So there's the airbag. You can see it's really deteriorated bad. So we had the tools you need basically are 13, right? And I think this is a 12. No, 13. All right, so 6-point. All right, they're up under the suspension, so there's a little rust. So I spray it down with PB Blaster, which is around here somewhere. Well, anyway, PB Blaster. All right, so you got some bolts up in there, right? You can see them right there. I sprayed them down. I got to take them off. You had 2 longer bolts that went through here, right? And yeah, it moves a little bit, right? My video, there you go. So them 2, I got to move this out of the way. So this bracket holds this brake hose on. Oh, let me see, is it brake hose or parking brake? Feels like a parking brake cable. So I got to take that off. And what size is that, you ask? Right there, the good old magical 19, 6-point. I'm gonna get that off, bring that bracket off so I can get this bolt slid out. Then we're gonna go up there and take those 2 off. It's gonna come out. So before we get into all that, we're gonna look at this and go, hey, let's see. That doesn't look like it's gonna work. No, it don't. It don't. All right, so guess what we ain't gonna do? All right, let me see here. All right, right there. There's where the mount is. This is just a hard mount. It's a little shy. Well, not a little shy. It's a big shy. All right, so that's the part number the guy gave me. All right, so there we go. And just for shits and giggles, you know. There's the other one on the other side right over there. Already PB blasted everything, but guess what? We don't need to go any further, folks. This is the wrong bag. All right. Unless this pops out, which will give it another. Yeah, I'm wrong. Yes, I am wrong. Well, imagine that I'm wrong. All right, so there's that part. Right there. It goes like that. Okay. So basically, we're going to take this off, all right, right here, and I'm going to put you on pause. All right, so you can see I was wrong. There's 2 19s on there. I didn't look, all right. I do them, but God, it's been like 10 years. All right, so now I can slide that half 13 millimeter, probably about a good 4-inch bolt out, right? All right, so we'll put that right here. All right, there's a little thing built into the jack. I am not supporting it. It's just extra support. The real main support is the 12-ton jack stand right back here. 12 tons, folks. All right, so now we'll see about getting this up. It's kind of pinched on, so I'm gonna have to beat it because when the bolts got tightened, it pinched it. Okay, so let me get that done. I'll put you on pause. All right, so what we got, it's off. These right here, see how they're slotted? That allows you to adjust this bottom bracket back and forward and also up in here. So next we're going for those two nuts right up in there, okay? There they are. And then we're going to go for this air valve, which I already took the Schrader out. Remember we talked about a Schrader on the AC. All right, and okay, so that's loose. There's two 13 millimeters, one on each side. This one got rusted and broke off of its pivot point, but that don't mean I can't lock it down. I'll go over there and look at it. I might have to put a new rivet in it. All right, so we got it loose. See, there you go. Listen to it. Ready? There you go. All right, now back up there. Here we go. All right, so we took the plate off. It's up in there, right there. It's two 14 millimeter nuts, right? You can use 15. I'll use 6-point, but now we're gonna pop this off. Right there you go. Okay. Now this plate will come apart right here. We got an air fitting that goes in there. All right, so it's gonna be fun. There's a bolt right there to hold it. That's gotta come off. So now I'm gonna take all this off right here, pull this through, pull that back through, and then I'll have it out for you in a couple minutes. Put you on hold. All right, folks. So here's another tool you need. Long handle Phillips, number 2. Okay. And then you need a pair of cutters or whatever you have to cut with. Right here, I had to clip that off, right there, because it was hooked up to this. Okay. Now I'll have to show you the screw. Hold on. You see it up in there? Right there. Okay, that's part of the hose right here that I'm moving. Ready? All right, so that'll bring it out. So far, basically what we needed for tools is a 14, a 13. I got a 13 ratcheting right here. All right, I got a hammer. I got a pry bar, right? I got a pair of cutters, and I got a long handle Phillips number 2 screwdriver because it's got to go up in there, folks. I needed a jack, of course. I needed a jack stand. I used 12 tons, well overrated. And now I pull all this out, and then we'll take the bag off, okay? So basically, we're on a roll, okay? We'll have to do the same thing on the other side. We already have all our tools, so the other side will go quicker. Once again, this is Jeff laying down on the job. Thank you very much. This is a Class B to me. With rear airbags installed. Now, we can call it a Volkswagen RIALTA all we want, RIALTA or whatever called like that, but it's a Class B with installed rear airbags. So they were on here, they were dry rotted. The member wanted them done. I'll get them done, and we'll find out what the other knockout list is, all right? So you might see some more videos on this Class B. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember the motto, test, not guess. And what's the other saying I always have? Safe travels, and may your campfires burn bright till we meet again. Where are we going to meet? Possibly here at the RV Diagnostics garage. See? We're rolling low. We have it right here. There we go. We'll mess up some of y'all. There you go. I got firewood ready for next year, and I got to make 6 cords in the back. Get it seasoned, right? Now, where else are we going to meet? On the road. I got a 40-foot diesel pusher, me and my wife, and we drive all kind of places. I'll let you know when I'm going to the campgrounds. I ain't fixing your RV. I might talk about it. If it's a real nice day, not too hot, too cold, and the women get into something or whatever, and they go off and spend our money, it's okay. Then I might come over and play with your RV. Where's another place I'm going to meet? Probably at the filling station, the fuel depots. It's either I get diesel, you get gas, we'll meet each other, blah, blah. And the other place we're going to meet is my puppy dog. How you doing? Look at me. How you doing? You helping me? You helping me? Who's that right there? Who's that? My puppy dog. All right, that's my English black lab. She's shorty. But okay, where's the other place we're gonna meet? We said campground. We said the school. We said the repair shop. We said the fueling station and on the road. You can also meet on YouTube, right? That's what you're going to watch here. Please subscribe. When I get up to the 6,000th member, which I'm at 5,500 roughly, I'll be giving away $5,400 in total prizes. One of it's $400 cash or tools. The rest of it is like free year membership to my website, which is $150 a year. I'm giving away RV stuff. Folks, I love what I do. Thank you very much. It's been a great ride, this life of mine. Test, not guess. Bye-bye.